Let's talk. First thing, I think I told you my name is Glenn. Been doing this for 33 years. Um, Second Kahoot workshop that I'm doing with Kahoot, but so far I kind of really like it. When I did it before, I was but the learner, but now I'm supposed to be the master of this stuff. So good luck to me. But this is an opportunity for us to kind of get a feeling for where we are, where everybody else is in the world, and then we get a chance to see if you're paying attention. So when these Kahoots come out throughout the course of the day, you do need to answer them as best you can. Like I said, some of them are directly related. Most of them will be directly related to what we cover. And some of them will be fun ones like this one. So it looks like we're waiting for one more person to answer the question. They got a little bit more time, but we got 5 out of 6. Make sure I answered. Yeah. Okay. So, again, so if you want credit for what you're doing today, you need to answer the questions as they come up. So you need to pay attention and lock in. So we should have, look like we're missing 2 people now. We've had a couple late arrivals. So if you're just now getting here, on your phone, on your tablet, on your PC, if you like, go to Kahoot, Kahoot as in Tom, .it, Kahoot.it. And I think you're not going to be able to put the PIN number in. So, PIN number is 913536. 913536. And put a PIN nearest where you live. You're running out of time to get it done, so you're going to miss the first one. Again, though, this is kind of a requirement thing so that you can get credit for the class. So we'll be doing these throughout the course of the day. For those of you who haven't used go to Webinar before, there's in the same control panel toward the bottom, there's one that's marked questions. That one will be open for you to put your questions in or answer some of the questions that I ask you. That is a private box. No one else can see it, but no one else can see it but me. So put in there whatever you want to. I got stuck. Z, is that how we pronounce it? Is circling. Okay. Alrighty. All right. So, okay. So just drop the pin there. Let's see. I don't know who we quite have gotten in there. So we got Miss Clara, Jessica, Joe, Miss Lynn. I guess is Miss Tara and Miss Z. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's just go see where people are who have answered. We should be able to see that on the map coming up here. Pretty close together. We got one person on the, what is that, on the western shore of India. I bet that was a mistake. Most of us are pretty close to each other in certain areas, central United States, which makes sense since that's the time zone that we're in. So that's how that goes. Nothing to it. You'll just answer each question as they come up, and we'll get going with that, and should be okay. What I want to do here real quick, though, also now is get us back to our slideshows, and I think I know how to do that pretty quickly. So we just go back into our slideshows here by going here and clicking on this. It should just pop up for us, but of course it didn't. Of course it did. I may be better at this than what I thought, or maybe not. Okay, that's the screen I want there. Okay, perfect.